We have been receiving various complaints from public as well as the police. They have informed that due to the digging of Zyka work, it's causing a traffic congestion. Most of the roads are being, though they are two ways, they are cut into half. And especially in the night at 6:30 and in the afternoon when it's a school time, we have seen that public have to face a lot of hardship. So today an emergency meeting was called with the officials of Zyka and the police authorities and the traffic also. And what being a festive season, especially the Christmas, and lots of people they have to do their shopping. And especially the other side is the market people, those who are having their shops and all, they look out for the season to earn something. So keeping that in mind, what we have done, we have told the Zyka authorities, we have requested them that they should temporarily stop the work, which they have agreed till say 1st of January. They have agreed to stop the new work of digging, so they would concentrate somewhere in the villages, not in the marketplaces. And they have also promised us that within 3 days they are going to restore all the manholes which are dug so far, and the work is completed. So in those cases they are going to do the soling and blacktopping and restore the roads within 3 days. From Zyka, the executive engineer Mr. Jadhav had represented along with the contractor who is carrying out the work within the town of Marwar. And another thing which we have told them is to give a detailed report of the action plan that they are going to take by tomorrow 10 o'clock. They have to submit that action plan to my office by tomorrow.